live in your thoughts.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and I'm the Shift Wife. Today's video is going to be a solo nighttime cleaning routine. As a mommy of 5, I'm going to be showing you what I do after dinner and before bedtime to get my house together for the next day. I'm going to be here, I'm feeding the dog, then I'm going to be cleaning up, helping my daughter with her homework, and so on. My older sons do their homework pretty much on their own. They are much older, so you won't see me helping them, and they're pretty self-sufficient, but I'll be helping my daughter do all her homework and just getting the house in order and ready for the day ahead. I try and do as much as I can the night before to set myself up for a successful day. Hope you guys enjoy this video.
That I love you.
Typically, I will be washing dishes as I cook, so cleaning things as they get dirty. That way I'm not left with a big pile of dishes. So here at the end of the day, I am just cleaning my baby's high chair before I get him out and get him ready for a bath. And also just putting away whatever dishes didn't get washed during the cooking process. So yeah, I do that just to help me not have a big sink full of dishes. It just makes everything seem a little less overwhelming. So that's just the tip that I have, is just to clean as you go, if at all possible.
That I love you.
So on this night, my husband was working night shift. He works night shift about half the month, the other half day shift. And so this particular night I was on my own. It's always hard when he is not home to help me, but I've gotten used to it. He's been working shift work for about 10 years now. So I'm just used to it at this point. It definitely makes things a little harder, especially when my kids have things like football practice and commitments after school. But I've just kind of learned throughout the years how to manage on my own, but it's definitely still very hard. As you can see in the video, my little guy is pretty cranky this evening. He was very fussy, so that's why you'll see him kind of fussing and waving his little arms around. He was definitely ready for bed.
You're the rose in a garden.
Now I just got done putting the baby to bed, so I'm picking up where I left off cleaning the kitchen. I'm just going to clean off the countertops and finish just getting all of the food up and whatever else is left laying around in the kitchen.
I love you. Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad. And I read your letters and look at your pictures. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming.
My son always makes a huge mess when he eats. I had already cleaned off the top of the high chair as you saw earlier in the video, so here I am just cleaning out all of the leftover food in his high chair. There was actually a cover on this high chair, but I took it off because it just became so much work to clean the cover each time he ate. So it was much easier just to take it off and be able to wipe it down after every meal.
Your face. Oh God, I miss you bad. The only thing
My kitchen table is always a mess of just papers and random objects. I've been working on some projects, so you can see there I have paint, a screwdriver, some painter's tape. So I'm just going through and putting all of that away. And then my daughter showed up at the table needing help with her homework. Most of the time she'll do her homework right after school, but for whatever reason today we were busy after school. So I'm helping her here, and it's great to kind of help her after the baby goes to bed because I can really focus and we don't have the distraction of him talking and screaming or, whatever babies do. So I enjoy this time, just me and her, helping her with her homework.
Your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love.
If you are looking for even more cleaning motivation, please be sure and check out my cleaning playlist. I will link it right here so that you can check it out after you finish this video.
Home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love. Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind?
I have to wipe my kitchen table down multiple times a day. My kids are always getting so much stuff stuck to it and all over the chairs. It's really gross. So yeah, I'm definitely always wiping it down, trying to get all the stickiness off.
See the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
If you have a toddler or maybe a baby that is learning to crawl, this little playpen here is absolutely amazing because you can easily collapse it up and get it out of the way. If you have like a smaller living room like mine, we don't have a whole lot of space in here, so at the end of the day I can easily just collapse it and put it aside and still have, all of his toys readily available, but just not in the middle of the living room. So it is by the brand Summer, and I got it off Amazon for about $100. You can buy it for about $60 without the cover, but we went ahead and got one that had a cover on it. It doesn't have the cover on it right now, but this thing is great. I can't recommend it enough. I'm going through and spraying all his things with Lysol because we were recently sick, so I just want to go ahead and continue to be cleaning his things regularly. And every night I go through and clean my living room. It just always seems to get messed up. The pillows are all everywhere. The baby gets food in his little playpen and just all over the living room. So every night I come in here and I just tidy up. That way the next morning I am not woken up to a messy living room. I like to come and sit on the couch in the morning when I wake up and read my Bible, just have some quiet time to myself. And I always love coming in here to a clean space.
To the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my...
At the end of every night, I don't do a whole lot of cleaning. I am usually very tired by this point with 5 kids and extracurricular activities that they have. So basically my evening routine is cleaning up the kitchen after dinner, tidying up, helping the kids with homework, and just making sure the main spaces in our home, such as the front area there by my front door and the living room and kitchen, are clean. Those are the essential areas that need to stay clean. During the day, I'll do power hours here and there to clean the other areas of the house. But that's just my tip for you, is that if you feel like you can't get a whole bunch done at the end of the day, don't even worry. Just try and get your hot spots in your home that seem to really bother you or get dirty very easily. At the end of the day, I always vacuum my rug because we have a Labrador and he sheds so bad. I have to vacuum at least once a day on the rug. Some days I'll vacuum the tile, some days I'll vacuum the rug. I usually always vacuum the rug, but some days if I have extra extra time, I will also do a quick vacuum of the tile. But this night I did not have time. I was very, very tired. So I just do what I can, and that's all right. Making progress is still making progress, even if it's small progress. Just doing a little bit every day can definitely make an impact in the function and look of your home. So that is just my encouragement for you. If you are not already, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big old thumbs up. It helps up my channel so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.